Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a review on a headband wig from Nadula. Oops, upside down. This one is from Amazon. It's a headband wig. My first time trying one, so I want to go ahead and see how this works. This wig here is a jerry curl and 20 inches. Of course, there's no lace. There's no plucking, and it's glueless, and it's 150% density in this human hair. So watch me try on this wig and let's see how long does it take for me to put it on. Actually, before we get into that, I want to show you what's in the box. Of course, there's the wig. We got a little headband. Give you a little wig cap. And I have a little thank you card. Okay, so let me go ahead and open the wig up. This is what she's looking like so far. And here's another headband. Take the netting off of it. Look at these curls. Okay. And here's the construction of the cap. We got a comb there and a comb right here. So we gotta worry about no slippage. And here's the headband right here. All right, let's try it on. So to start off, I already have my hair back and I had my hair just gelled down in the front. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to put this on and see what it do. Okay, so I'm going to put that little comb right here in the front so we have some grip. And there's a comb in the back. Ooh. So this is what she's looking like so far. I think this will be real good for the summertime, for that curly hair look, or that wet hair look. But anyways, this is what she's looking like. It took about 2 minutes to put it on, 2 or 3 minutes, because I was trying to figure out how to go on and be secure. So of course we have the comb here in the back, and yeah. This is what she looks like. Let me turn around. So it does come with other headbands here, like I said. We can put that on and try to see what it looks like. Maybe the black. Or what's the navy blue? Let me try this one on. Okay, that's cute. I want to add some foaming lotion to it just to see what it gives me. Want to see something real quick. Let's play around with it. Now this wig do have like a slight smell to it. There's some people might ask, what does it have a smell? It do have like a slight smell, just a little. And here we go with the shedding. I ran my fingers through it, and this is what I got so far on that one side. There's some more. So yeah, you definitely want to be careful with running your fingers through this because it sheds. It does shed. I think this will be really nice for people that's on the go, on the rush, to just, you know, put something on and go. Like if you need to go make a store run, you late to work, just put it on. Whatever you gotta do. Late for a party, I don't know. Just put it on and go when you don't have nothing to do. Just put it on and you'll be on your way. You'll be ready. I plan on going ahead and just to wash it, so to wash that smell out, because I'm not too fond of that smell. But anyways, here it is the instructions on the back of the box about upkeeping your wig. It says not to put too much heat on it, never to pull or scrub the lace cap, be gentle, avoid putting chlorinated water, seawater, hot water, keep the wig in the box, and never sleep or shower in your wigs. Never do that. That's not really smart. But yeah. So to wash the shampoo this hair, you want to use cool or warm water. Try not to scrub the hair. Hold the cap in your palm and rinse it from top to bottom with running water, and then condition, same thing. Also avoid hair root and cap touching the conditioner. Cap touching conditioner. And then rinse, and then dry, wrap the hair in a towel and press gently and put it on a mannequin head to dry. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I wanna see what it looks like after washing it, okay? So yeah, I'll be right back. So far as what she's looking like since I went ahead and washed her and conditioned. I left some leave-in conditioner in. So I'm just gonna let that dry. All right, so I washed it, and now it's semi-wet now. Not too bad. After I put in the leave-in conditioner, I put in some foaming lotion in there just so I can hold the curl a little bit prettier. And this is the look. And it did help take away the smell washing it, so I should have started off doing that, but it's washed now and I like it. I think this is gonna be a good summer look, but you know, curly is good all year long, all year round, so yeah. So you see me with this one on, just know I was in a rush to go ahead and do some of my hair real quick, but yeah. Yep, that was it, and I did buy this with my own money, so I did give an honest review with you guys. I really do like it, It does shed and it is a little smelly, so make sure it's washed pretty good. And yeah, so make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can see my next videos to come. And see you later.